How often do we ponder the intricate dance between innovation and precision in automotive engineering? In the realm of product development, quality isn't just a goal, it's the foundation upon which safety and reliability are built. Today, we delve into the Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP, specifically focusing on the critical second phase. This phase is pivotal in transforming design concepts into a product ready for production. Phase 2 of APQP, titled Product Design and Development, demands meticulous documentation to ensure every detail is perfect. Let's start by exploring the input documents that guide this phase. First on the list is the Design Goals document. Here, the aspirations for the product are outlined. These goals set the tone for what the engineering team aims to achieve, ensuring that the product meets customer expectations and regulatory requirements. Next, we have the reliability and quality targets. This document specifies the standards the product must meet. It's about defining how reliable and under what conditions the product should operate, which is crucial for maintaining brand integrity and customer trust. The Preliminary Bill of Materials, or BOM, is another essential input. It lists all the components that will be required to build the product. This early version of the BOM helps in forecasting costs and assessing the feasibility of the product design. We also consider the preliminary process flow chart at this stage. This outlines the proposed manufacturing steps. It's a roadmap that shows how each part will be made, which is invaluable for identifying potential issues early in the development cycle. Lastly, the input documents include product and process benchmarking information and the product-to-process assumptions. Benchmarking against competitors helps in setting realistic targets, and assumptions ensure that the product development is based on valid premises. Now, turning our attention to the output documents of Phase 2, these are what the inputs evolve into after thorough development and analysis. The primary output is the Design FMEA, or Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. This document is vital as it identifies potential failure modes in the design and helps in developing mitigation strategies. It's a proactive approach to quality assurance. Following the Design FMEA, the Design for Manufacturing and Assembly, or DFMA, comes into play. This ensures that the product is not only up to design standards, but also manufacturable and assemble-able, which reduces production costs and complexity. The revised Preliminary Bill of Materials is also an output here. Updated from its preliminary version, it reflects more accurate and detailed information about the components needed. Another critical output is the Prototype Build Control Plan. This outlines the methods and measurements that will be used to control the quality of the prototype units, ensuring they meet the design specifications laid out in the initial documents. Lastly, we have the engineering drawings and specifications and the material specifications. These documents provide detailed instructions and standards for the production team, ensuring that every product built matches the high-quality standards set forth in the design phase. In summary, Phase 2 of APQP is where theoretical designs begin their journey towards becoming tangible, high-quality products. From setting robust design goals and reliability targets to the detailed analysis in the Design FMEA and the practical considerations of the DFMA, each document plays a critical role in paving the path from concept to production-ready product. Understanding and managing these documents ensures that the final product not only meets, but exceeds the expectations of reliability, quality, and functionality.